As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1000 and the Q1000N Plus. They both seem pretty good, but I'm not sure which one to go for.
Yeah, I see them. The Q1000 is definitely more compact. It's only about 27 inches wide, while the Q2800N Plus is 30 inches. Good for smaller spaces, right?
Totally. Space is a bit of an issue for me. But what about cooking space?
Okay, the Q1000 has a cooking area of 189 square inches. The Q2800N Plus boasts a large grilling surface fitting up to 12 burgers. So, considerably bigger. And it has a high dome lid for cooking larger items like chickens.
That's a big difference. I do like the idea of grilling a whole chicken. What about power? Is one hotter than the other?
The Q1000 has a single burner kicking out 8,500 BTU per hour. The Q2800N Plus has a wider temperature range, from 250 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, and a plus burner for searing or low and slow cooking. More versatile, it sounds like.
Okay, interesting. What about portability? I might want to take it camping.
The Q1000 weighs only 27.5 pounds and is designed for disposable propane cylinders, making it super portable. The Q2800N Plus is heavier, at 51.2 pounds. While it's described as compact, it's less ideal for true portability.
Gotcha. So the Q1000 wins on portability. What about features? Anything stand out?
The Q2800N Plus has some cool features. It has detachable side tables and a front-facing grease tray. Plus, it's got built-in mounting for Weber Connect smart probes, if you're into that kind of thing.
Oh, fancy.
The Q1000 is pretty basic. Push-button ignition, porcelain enameled grates, that's about it.
What about the price difference?
The Q1000 is around $229, while the Q2800N Plus is listed at $399, a significant jump.
Okay, so the Q1000 is cheaper and more portable, but the Q2800N Plus has more features, a larger cooking area, and better temperature control. Sounds like it depends on what I value most. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.